Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video, I have shown you some fundamental properties of matrix differentiation, okay, some formulas, and using some particular dimensional matrix and vector, I have tried to show you that, right? Similarly here in my this video, I am going to show you another very important matrix differentiation formula, right? So suppose my y is like this form x transpose ax, where A is 2 cross 2 matrix, okay, or that may be any dimensional matrix. Here I am showing using 2 cross 2, right? X is our actual column vector, okay, that is 2 rows 1 column, suppose, and x transpose, obviously it will be row vector 1 cross 2. If x is 2 cross 1, so x transpose will be 1 cross 2, right? Because you know from the fundamental concept of matrix calculus or matrix mathematics that if one matrix is m cross n, then its transpose will be n cross m, right? So now just write the same matrix like this form, okay? So our A matrix I am considering A11, A12, A21, A22, okay? Suppose you want to derive by your own. See how I am writing the pattern. If you can easily remember this, okay? When you are deriving by your own, that time you can easily just recall this. See, this is first row, so the first index is basically indicating the row, okay, and the second index is basically indicating the column, okay. So this is first row first column 1 1, this is first row second column 1 2, this is what, second row first column, this is second row second column, right? And my column vector x is x1 x2 as we have taken earlier also, and obviously x transpose is going to be like this row vector, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to differentiate this y with respect to x, okay, and we will generate this formula using some derivation based on this particular one, okay. So first what we can do, we can do this multiplication and simplify this. So see, a11 into x1 plus a12 into x2, that will come in the first, okay, then a21 into x1 plus a22 into x2, that will come in the second, okay, second row. And now we can do this multiplication, so we can get x1 multiplied by this whole one, right? A11 x1 plus a12 x2, that's what I have written here, plus x2 into this one, a21 multiplied by x1 plus a22 multiplied by x2. So our y equation becomes this one. Just remove the parenthesis, what you will be getting, y equal to x1 into a11 into x1, okay, then plus x1 into a12 into x2, right, plus x2 into a21 into x1 plus x2 into a22 into x2, right? So this becomes our equation y, right? I hope it is clear to you. Cool. Now what we can do, see, x1 into a11 into x1, so this will become x1 square into a11. No need to think that these are not matrix, okay, these are scalar values. You can see x1 x2 are individual scalar values, so you can just do this kind of operation, okay. If it is matrix then you can't do, but these are scalars, so you can do, right? So x1 multiplied by x1, it will become x1 square multiplied by a11, okay, then this will be what, x1 x2 into a12, okay, that's what I have written here, right? This will be what, x1 x2 into a21, that's what is written here, and this will be what, x2 multiplied by x2, it will become x2 square into a22, okay. Now this is overall one scalar value. Now we need to differentiate. What is the differentiation? Simple formula I told, keep y variable in one row and keep x constant, okay. So here what are my x? 2x, one is x1, another one is x2, so two rows will be created, one is for x1, another one is for x2, and here y is only single, so one single column will be created like this, right? Now what you need to do, just differentiate, okay. So differentiate this one, this x1 square a11 plus x1 x2 a12 plus x1 x2 a21 plus x2 square a22 with respect to x1. Simple, I hope you can easily do. X1 square derivative of x square is 2x, right? So x1 square a11 derivative with respect to x1 will be 2x1 a11. A11 is constant, right? So it will not change. Okay, then this one x1 multiplied by x2 multiplied by a12, so it will be x2 and a12 will be treated as constant because we are differentiating or doing partial derivative with respect to x1. So x2 will be treated as constant, so it will become x2 into a12. Okay, right? Then for this one, what will happen? For this one, it will happen x2 into a21. Okay, for this one, see x2 square a22, it is not at all, no term is present with respect to x1, so the whole term will be basically constant when you are doing partial derivative with respect to x1, and you will be getting no term. So this will be our first one, right? And now similarly, if you differentiate with respect to x2, what will happen? This first term has no x2 term, so it will become 0. Okay, whole term will be treated like constant, and constant derivative is 0. Then derivative of x1 x2 a12 with respect to x2 will be what? x1 a12. Derivative of this one with respect to x2 will be what? x1 a21. And derivative of this one with respect to x2 will be what? 2x2 a22. That's what I have written here, and this is what we are getting as del y del x. Now we can simply rearrange this del y del x like this. Okay, see, you can just cross verify. See, if you just do multiplication, a11 multiplied by x1 plus a12 multiplied by x2. Here also a11 multiplied by x1. Here a21 multiplied by x2. So what is the first term here? 2x1 a11 plus x2 a12 plus x2 a21, right? See, two different terms of x1 a11 we should get, and see, after calculation we are getting that, because here a11 x1 we are getting once, and similarly here a11 x1 we are getting once, right? This term x2 a12, how we are getting? See, a12 multiplied by x2 will be getting. This term how we will be getting? x2 a21. See, simple a21 into x2, like that. Second one also we can easily get. So our this rearrangement is correct only, right? Now what is this matrix? a11 a12 a21 a22, nothing but my A matrix. So it will become A, and this is what? Column vector x, so ax plus, this is what? See carefully, a11 a21 a12 a22, this matrix and this matrix are transpose of each other, so this is nothing but A transpose. Okay, A transpose multiplied by x. Okay, so the conclusion is derivative of y with respect to x when y is in this form, x transpose ax, where A is one matrix and x are basically column vector, that time our output will be A plus A transpose multiplied by x. Okay, now if it is symmetric matrix, if suppose A is symmetric, then A and A transpose will be same, then you can simplify as 2 into A into x. Okay, so this particular formula also you keep in mind, okay, with respect to matrix differentiation point of view, because this is going to help us in the derivation of multiple linear regression in my upcoming video, right? So this is all for my this video. Hope you have enjoyed. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.